Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can see community chats on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook Messenger, and in past that you can see in calls, but now you can see there is no option. So you simply need to click on three bars on the top left, and here you can see communities. You can click on edit, and here all the communities. So here you can see that if you want make change, that will be removed, so I do not want. Okay, and here you can see my communities. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can see your communities on Facebook Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.